You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, then you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give it, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give it, you got what I'm saying? I'm not playing, I'll give it to you straight, man.
Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at the Woo Home and we're going to answer some of your questions on how to set it up and how to properly use this soundbar. So this is a 2.2 soundbar. The model is the S111. Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys everything that you get. And I'm sure it goes without saying, I'm sure you guys know of all this, but 2.2 channel, ARC in, RGB color, AUX, USB, you got LED display, digital, in, which would be your optical and your Bluetooth wireless. It comes with a manual. It comes with your mounting brackets, power supply, power cables, optical cable, your remote, which actually has a couple features on here. Pop this off. It takes two AAA batteries, AUX cable, HDMI to HDMI cable. Now you do have some options with your sound bars. You can have your sound bars on like that, or like this. Or if you want it vertical, you can. Then you just simply use the bracket. So R would be with R. Place it in like this, twist, and pop it in, and now you can use the sound bar vertical, which is really nice. Definitely saves room if your TV or monitor is not wide enough gap. I personally think vertical looks really cool. What do you guys think? Now you guys have two options. You can use the short cable to connect your sound bars, or you can use your long cable to connect. If you want to use both sound bars, it's very simple to do. Now, connecting your soundbar can be simple with a short cable, as we just said, or if you need to position your bars far apart from each other, that's no problem. You can go ahead and use these cables. Simply connect one end to the other by placing it down inside here. You can line up the groove on the groove of the soundbar to know how it goes in perfectly. They designed that so the cable doesn't work itself loose or get damaged. And there you go. Now, you got your connected soundbar to each other, and you got one big unit. Turning your soundbar on is very simple as well. You're gonna locate your DC in, plug in your cable to your outlet, and now we have provide power, and you can see the two little lines right here letting you know it's got power. Now, every TV, every setup's gonna be different. So, with that being said, if you wanna use your optical cable, you would need to go under your TV settings and go under the audio settings. But for optical cable, you just simply connect your optical cable port in the back here. It's gonna say optical. You're gonna line this up and just simply plug it in like that. Then you're gonna plug this into your TV. Make sure the sound bar is completely turned off before you plug this in. Then once it's in, go under your settings under your TV and connect it. And just because everybody's TV is different these days, your menu, your sound settings, you're gonna have to go and navigate to that and enable it for optical audio. If you're not worried about the optical audio, that's completely fine. Most people don't actually use that. Most people simply use the HDMI cable, which means you would plug your HDMI cable into your HDMI ARC port, and then you plug this into your ARC port in your TV. Normally, it says it on your TV ARC, and you just plug this in. Normally it comes up right away and you can use the soundbar right away. If it does not do that, then what you can do is go under your audio settings, just like the optical, hover over audio and find it. and you simply enable it. Again, since every TV is different, you're going to have to navigate to your audio settings of your TV to connect it that way. There is also one other option, which is the AUX cable, and this option, at least in the US, most people, I would say 85%, don't even use this option. Of course, you have the option of using the soundbar with a USB. All you'd have to do is plug in your USB port, right in the USB port here, any USB that has music on it, and you can simply use that. And of course, the feature that most people are going to use more often is going to be the Bluetooth. By the way, to power this on, we're going to press and hold the sensor here, and it's already in Bluetooth mode. It says BE, which is pretty awesome. We'll go ahead and show you guys the back colors, which look fantastic, if I do say so myself. But once it's in a Bluetooth mode, you just simply go under your device settings. So let me bring this up here. We go under our device settings, and we would open up Bluetooth. We would wait to find the device. So we're going to let it pop up, and we'll show you guys in a second. Okay, for us, it says soundbar S111. We're going to click pair, and it's going to pair. Okay, it is now compared. Guys, I need my coffee this morning. It's now paired up. Okay, guys, this song, we can't play too much due to reasons, but this is a copyrighted free song by NFX. And we're going to play this for you guys so you can get an idea of the sound bar.
That you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these bumps, they're not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the door on all you haters with your hands in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your.
Overall, my friends, as you guys could hear, quality is fantastic. Everything about these are really awesome. Again, every TV, every monitor is going to be different on setting it up, but we gave you the baseline. We told you guys how to do that, and it's not that hard, whatever setup you want to do. A lot of times it's plug and play, but if it's not plug and play, my friends, all you have to do is go under your audio settings of your computer, of your TV, of your monitor, and change it for whatever you're using. Again, if you're using optical, set it for optical. If you're using it for the ARC, which is ARC, you guys can use that as well. Overall, the lighting effects, awesome. Bluetooth works great. You guys are going to be happy.